We're going trick-or-treating. We got lots of candy, lots of it, right?
Right.
So Halloween was successful. We got a lot of candy, lots of candy, lots of it. And we had fun trick-or-treating in the haunted house. Was scary.
Ish.
And we crawled around and it was just, it was fun. Hope you all had a great Halloween and I will see you next time I make a video.